Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna just stand there. Where are you going? Where are you
It's
going?
pretty mean that you're not going to be able to stay on a school night again. Come on. Let's get
Where
ready.
are you going? Where are you going? Mama.
You got exactly 10 minutes.
Mama.
And the bus will be up there.
I'm taking a video. Yes. Okay, I'll move on to the next puppy. This is the baby rat. He's like sleeping right now, so I'll just leave him alone. This is my cousin Alex's puppy. It's a girl. And this is Shot. This is Thomas and Taylor's puppy. Can't really see her because he's full back.
No!
And this is one of Harley's other puppies for her dad.
What did I mouse for
And
breakfast?
the other puppy I showed you last time. She's just running around. And of course the big boy. Big boy. They don't want to wake them up because then they get peeing everywhere. So yeah. Beepy, you leave that puppy alone. Hey, get back. Oh no, you're like Mama. Come on. Come on, she's coming! See, I would walk away from the cat, okay? Yeah, I'll protect you. Baby, why are you under... Now it's drinking water. They actually ate all of that food in those two bowls. It's hard food for them. They could eat that because their teeth are in. So yeah, I'm probably going to have to close the ball real quick because... this is going to be posted on YouTube, of course. My babe. And they're just wandering around. That's Kenya Mama. That Beepy. That baby girl. That's Chunky the dad. This is the baby boy. Shy. My Kenya puppy. And Harley's little dad's puppy. And that's pretty it for the vlog. But I will post this up probably on Friday or Monday. Next Monday. I don't know when it's going to be up because this is a new vlogger. And so, yeah. That's most of the puppies. And that's my aunt and that's Chair. And there's the baby girl. You be nice, baby. Did you guys see her? She's like, rare. She's like this, rare. Get her. Get her, girl. Get her. Baby. And she does not have the strength to do that. We're just going to move on to Kenya. This is the mama. Kenya! What are you doing? Say hi. Say hi. I didn't know she's the full-blooded husky. Look at her. Get her. No, let me. Get your face in it. There she is. There she is. Chucky, look. And this is the dad. I love you, Bubba. And this is the baby rat, of course. None of them else are like awake yet. But this one. Fighting between a cat and a puppy. Guys, want a close look at that? So yeah. I can't really do anything with on it. Of course, I have to go to school soon, so bye guys. I love you guys. Bye.